Welcome to our channel. Regions Mobile Deposit allows you to deposit checks conveniently using your smartphone, saving you time and trips to the bank. Step 1. Download and install the Regions Mobile Banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Step 2. Log into the app using your Regions online banking credentials. Step 3. Endorse the back of your check by signing it and writing "for mobile deposit only" along with your account number. Step 4. In the app, locate and tap on the Deposit or Mobile Deposit option from the main menu. Step 5. Select the account into which you want to deposit the check from your list of Regions accounts. Step 6. Enter the check amount exactly as it appears on the check. Step 7. Position your phone's camera over the front of the check, ensuring good lighting and a clear view of all four corners. Step 8. Capture the image of the front of the check when the app indicates proper alignment. Step 9. Flip the check over and capture an image of the back in the same manner. Step 10. Review the images for clarity and the deposit details for accuracy. Then submit the deposit. Step 11. Wait for confirmation and note that funds may be available immediately or within 1 to 2 business days. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.